Hi YouTubers, welcome to my channel Genius Hacker. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock any luggage lock without knowing the 3-digit password. So here we go. First of all, the password is 338. I'm changing the digit code. And it is locked. There is 793, so it is not the password. Now you have to see from this side and rotate the scroll button until you got the small hole you can see here. You have to do same thing with the other scroll buttons. When all the 3 holes are out in the outside, see from upper side. You can see the password is 661, but it's not the correct password. So make your digit 1 plus, like 728, 728, 223. It is not unlocked. 829, 829, 324. It is unlocked. 005. Try it. 116. No. 227. No. 338. Yeah, the password is unlocked. So you can use this trick in any luggage. Like my video and subscribe to my channel.